This is a quick how-to video that will cover how to use the remote fixed blanking feature in the S4B Safety Light Curtains from Banner Engineering. To access this feature, you will need the following components: an S4B light curtain with FID 3 or higher, the S4B remote fixed blanking configuration tool, and a Cascade-enabled cord set. Begin by connecting the Cascade cord set to the S4B receiver. Connect the female connector to the left-hand connector on the RFB configuration tool. Then, connect the termination plug to the right-hand connector of the configuration tool. At this time, you can connect power to the male connector of the cord set. To put the curtain into teach mode, turn the key to position 1. The corresponding LED will flash green to indicate that the teach mode is currently active. On the receiver itself, the Zone 1 LED should also be flashing green. Install the object that will be present within the light curtain, ensuring that it is properly secured so that the beams will always remain blocked. When this is complete, turn the key back to the run position. It will take a moment for the receiver to finish processing the taught parameters, during which time the status and Zone 2 LEDs will remain solid. If the teach process was successful, the receiver will return to its normal run state with one difference. The zone LEDs will continuously flash green to indicate that one or more of the beams in that zone are being actively blanked out. If your equipment is prone to vibrations, you may want to enable the vibration tolerance mode, which allows for one beam to be blocked above or below the beams that were previously blanked out. To activate vibration tolerance mode, turn the key to position 2 until the corresponding LED begins to flash, then turn the key back to run. The receiver will take a moment to process and then return to run mode. To disable vibration tolerance, follow the same process. Once the S4B has been programmed to your needs, you may disconnect the configuration tool or leave it connected. To remove it, disconnect power from the receiver and then disconnect the configuration tool. Last and most importantly, ensure that you move the termination plug from the configuration tool to the now free connector on the receiver's cord set. That covers the basics of the remote fixed blanking feature for the S4B Safety Light Curtains. For more information, reach out to Banner Engineering.